Hey you guys, it's Coily Diaries back with another video. Today we will be trying out the number 0 and the number 3 of the Olaplex hair products. Now these products have been around for a while and I just didn't bother to try them, partly because they're expensive, but it wasn't just an interest of mine, but because I'm trying to focus on really healthy hair and give my hair the best opportunity to thrive, I thought, why not try them out now? So what you see me do here is just wash my hair before I start to use the products. And although they do advise you to use the products on, hair that is dry or hair that's pretty much not shampooed, I decided to wash my hair because, guys, I've got a lot of build-up. I've got a lot of product and I just want the best opportunity for these products to work. So I wanted to start on clean hair. However, do follow instructions and do whatever suits you when you do use these products. I have seen a few YouTubers wash their hair prior to using the products, and girl, they're expensive. So I want to get the most out of them as much as I can. So I got my products from Mecca and it's the Intense Repair Trial Kit. And I got the trial kit because it's got obviously the 0 and the 3, which is the two products that I was interested to try. And because it's a trial kit, I believe this is probably just enough for one use. However, the price is really, not crazy. If you know anything about Olaplex, it's very, very expensive. Anyway, these products are supposed to build the bonds and treat damaged hair. It's supposed to strengthen the hair and rebuild, all the damaged bonds that may have occurred due to, just wear and tear, whether it be heat damage or even chemical damage. So these products are, quite high quality, salon grade, and the instructions are pretty much to apply the 0, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then apply the 3 before rinsing out. So without rinsing out the 0, you apply the 3. And then pretty much allow another 10 minutes before going ahead to rinse and then shampoo. But I've shampooed my hair already, so I'll just go ahead and apply these products and just rinse my hair after. So I try to dry my hair or blot the water out of my hair as much as possible. Obviously, because I've already shampooed my hair, I didn't want it to be dripping wet. As you know, the instructions do say that you're supposed to do this on dry hair. So my hair is it's damp, but it's not wet, and I am going to be applying the products in twists simply because, girl, I ain't got time to undo these twists, okay? Time is not with me. My lifestyle does not allow for me to have hours on end with my hair. So I will be applying the products on the twists, and what I'll do is I will try to squeeze the products into the hair as much as I can so they go in between the twists. However, I do encourage you to do this on loose hair if you want to do it well and if you want the best opportunity, I guess, for each hair strand to, get a taste of the product, if you know what I mean. I have found that when I was using this product, it was pretty watery, and looking back now, I think that maybe a spray bottle, like a spritz bottle, would have worked better for me, just for application purposes, but also to just get the product deeper into the roots and also in between my twists. But anyway, I just went ahead to squeeze it all over the hair, and yeah, apply it as much as I can. The instructions do say that you can apply it to the roots, but your girl is scared to be putting chemicals on her roots, on her scalp, sorry. And maybe that's because of the recent lawsuit that's been going around about Olaplex causing hair loss, guys. What a coincidence that I'm doing this at this time. I know a lot of people are sort of putting their brakes on these products because of that, but I actually don't see why it would cause hair loss. I'm thinking maybe there's other contributing factors to the people that have experienced this, but anyway, either way, I'm just focusing on my hair for the purposes of this video. So my first impressions of the Zero is that it's very watery, and it's got a, what can I say, maybe like an artificial smell. I think that's kind of the vibes I'm getting from the product. Other than that, on application, it just feels like I'm putting water onto my hair. There's nothing particularly sinister or special about how it feels on application. So I'll just go ahead and allow you to watch the video, and then I'll put a plastic cup on for 10 minutes after application, and then I'll be back to apply the 3. So it's been 10 minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply number 3. Just in case you were wondering, I used all of the number 0. So the whole container is just finished, and I guess because it's a trial size, I did expect for it to all be gone, just in case you will be trying this particular kit. With the number 3, I got the sense of like conditioner. The consistency was pretty, what can I say? It wasn't runny, but it wasn't thick, if you know what I mean. And once again, it kind of smelled like chemical, artificial, so to speak. And on application, it just felt like your normal conditioner. Nothing special, nothing difficult, nothing sinister, nothing to report per se. However, I went in there as generously as I could, focusing mainly on the ends of my hair, pretty much because that's where most of my damage will be. My roots, I'm not too worried about, so I didn't, like concentrate on my roots because of that reason, and also because I don't know if the product will be enough for the full head if I put too much on my roots. So I'm focusing mainly on my ends. So I'll let you continue watching the video, and I will be back after 10 minutes of allowing the product to sit in my hair. Okay, so my second 10 minutes is up, and I don't know if you can tell, but the product has pretty much gone into the hair, and let me tell you, the hair feels so soft. You know, when I was applying these products, I didn't know what to expect. I thought because it's strengthening, it would probably be strong feeling or hard feeling, but actually there was softness, which was interesting. It's quite interesting actually. The softness was, wow, yeah, very noticeable. I liked how my hair feel. I'm not gonna lie, I went ahead to rinse my hair, and even after rinsing the hair, I felt that softness remain. So my hair was still feeling very soft after rinsing the product out, and I've got a sense of regret now because I'm like, I should have taken out the twists, and I should have maybe allowed it to sit longer, because I think the company does allow, you know, if you want to, you know, get the product to sit a little bit longer on your hair. I don't know if we can use heat, but if at all we can, then yeah, if I do this again, I will be doing all of this, because girl, just with the bare minimum that I've done, my hair does feel very soft, and I'm pleased with the overall feel of my hair. So yeah, nothing bad to say about Olaplex. Let me know if you've tried it before, particularly the 0 and the 3, or any other products that you've tried that have worked for you. Has it reduced breakage or damage over time for you? Have you noticed less shedding and things like that, or hair loss? We want to know all about it. Do comment below, let me know. I will put links to the products in the description below. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.